Hey, this your boy with Food, Fun, and Fiesta. We are in front of, there you see it, Lorenzo's Pizza, right here on 305th South Street in Philadelphia, Pennsylvania, baby. We are in Philly, home of the Big Slice. Let's go check it out. Let's see what's happening here in Lorenzo's. Oh, we got some big slices going on here. Oh, that one is devoured. Oh, Roger, say hi. All right, hey guys, there we go. We got the big slice. Oh, you never know what you're gonna run into here in Philly. Not only that, they have a huge pizza. You should see it. Look at the box. Look at the size of that box. That box is out of control. And you can get a 28-inch pie for $28. And that huge slice for $4. That's Lorenzo's Pizza right here in Philadelphia. This your boy T Money with Food, Fun, and Fiesta. You never know what you're gonna get. Say goodbye, guys. Oh, they're too busy eating. They're too busy. Oh, there she goes. Philly, baby. Manja.